What's going on, guys? It's your brother. So I made this beat earlier and I wanted to apply the filter right here at the part of the chorus or the verses. So I want it to sound like that. So what I did is I made the whole beat in the MPC One out of one sequence, and then I recorded it into the SP-404 with the filter. So I just focus on turning the filter on and off, so then that we could come back and put this in and add in the effects in the 404. So here it come right now. That's how I got the filter on there.